How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm actually in my car right now. We're going to get me a bed right now because I guess my old one didn't have all the parts to it and stuff like that, and we ordered it multiple times, but it still did not come in right? Yeah. Which is stupid, because I wanted my bed. But anyways, and I'm talking about my sister today. It's not a bad thing. I love you, Mackenzie. I don't know if you can even hear me right now because he has her headphones on. But what is one thing, like,
we believe that home security is something that should be accessible to everyone.
And then to get this off my chest, I cannot watch my sister eat chicken. Like, she destroys, like, you know, in like Meta, how he just goes on and pulls out like exactly just the bone. That's my sister's like, oh, another one, please. Like, she destroys chicken. Like after, like, you give her 2 legs, her hands are, like, all grindy from, like, the chicken juice. Warning, this video might be a little gross. But, like, I can't watch her eat chicken because of that. Like, she gets, like, grindy stuff on her hands, like, after she eats it. She's like, every time she eats it, she's like, every time, like, we're in restaurants, I just, like, yeah, so how was your day, Dad? Because I usually sit next to my mom because I love my mom. I love my dad, too, but, like, I usually just sit next to mom. I don't know why, it's just do. So usually, my mom, me, my dad, my sister. So I'm sitting directly, so I'm looking at Dad like, hi, Dad, so how was your day? Like, because I cannot, it just disgusts me. And, like, when she's eating anything else, I'm fine. There's really now I'm thinking about it, there's nothing that I can't watch or eat besides chicken. And, like, she doesn't even do it with ribs. She does it with Cornish hen.
You grabbed the baggies for the brownies. Probably when you closed the door, it popped open. So it probably was open all night, you know.
I'm hot in California.
Yeah.
I'm cold in North Carolina, but I'm still doing this because I want to. Yes, I cannot watch my sister eat chicken. I can't. It's just disgusting. It's like she's an animal in the forest and she's just scoundreling for food, and she like, I swear, like, she's probably killed 100 chickens in her life. She loves her chicken. She loves her chicken. Okay. She loves her chicken. She will eat all of her chicken. Like,
that's why those roofs are dangerous, because they're flat, and the drains get plugged up real easy.
But, I don't know. Like, if you went to dinner with me and my sister got chicken and you saw how she ate chicken,
Had the roof collapse and kill somebody.
you would see what I'm talking about. One time, we were at the Pit, which is like some like barbecue place that's in North Carolina because they're big on barbecue here. If you didn't know that, but I'm pretty sure everyone knows that. And we were at the Pit, and she got barbecue chicken. And the waitress comes over to refill her drink, and she was like, Mackenzie's like, and she's like, what do you have? She's like, orange soda. And I was just like, and the waitress couldn't hear what she was saying because she was listening to her eating. So I said, she has Fanta. She has Fanta. And he was like, okay, I'll get some Fanta for you. Orange or strawberry.
Probably had a lot of reasons to not.
I was like, by the way, I knew she had orange Fanta because I know she does not like strawberry Fanta. So I got her strawberry Fanta, and her mouth was dry from eating all the chicken. I don't know why, but I guess her mouth was just dry. She went to go take a drink, not paying attention. She did not like that Fanta. That was not a good thing for her. Not.
Tuesday morning, wrapped in a blanket, blood covering the
That's basically
floor.
the only
Word of
thing
his
for
violent
today's
death
video.
meant
I cannot watch my
relief
sister
from family
eat chicken.
members of his victims.
Like, I'm not joking. Like,
From myself
Mom,
and my
can you
family.
watch, like, is it disgusting when Mackenzie eats chicken?
No, I mean, she enjoys it.
Vulture was transferred to Hazleton Penitentiary in West Virginia from another facility.
Okay, my mom doesn't care about the situation. Dad, do you think?
Official with knowledge of the investigation says he was put in the prison's.
Dad, do you think it's kind of
raising
disgusting?
questions as to why a high-profile mobster was not isolated or watched more
My dad
closely.
can't multitask.
Just last week,
He
a
can't do two
bipartisan
things at
group of
once.
senators
Like, he can't
alerted
say
Attorney
hi
General Jeff
and tap the
Sessions
top of his
about
head.
understaffing at Hazleton,
You either have to say
noting
hi
there
or
were
tap
two
the top
deaths
of his
there
head. He couldn't do
this
it at
year.
one time. Like, he is
Vulture's life portrayed in several movies, including 2015's Black Mass, starring Johnny Depp.
Anyways, hope you
Serving
guys
2
like
life
this video.
sentences for
I mean,
racketeering and the murder of 11 people. Those who
you
really knew
did.
him say was a
Ooh, sorry, everybody.
He could kill you for good reason.
What?
He could kill you for bad reason. He could kill you for no reason. And that was his reputation.
All right, Jason Carroll, thank you so much for that.
Anyways, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and be a y'all yeet.
Maria Rose Belda
Yeah, y'all
saw people
eater.
going hungry in her hometown when she was just getting
Skin it thing.
What she decided to do,
y'all
and that is why she's one of this year's top 10 CNN heroes.